we're going to take a quick look at employee PTO and standard time. That's paid time off, and actually, all other reasons employees might take time off from work. Buried at the bottom of the employee timesheet is a little-known area called time off. See it here? That's the subject of this video. Now, I understand that this may be another one of those unfamiliar areas to manufacturers who use standard time strictly for barcode scanning, but bear with me. If that's you, consider how PTO might be useful for engineers, managers, and other office workers who are not scanning jobs on the shop floor. In other words, who access standard time on their desktops or phones. You can see that this employee has requested vacation in the week shown here. And you can see the details of that time off request in the Properties panel at the right. This is the information your Human Resource Department needs to evaluate and approve such requests. In other words, can an employee take time off on the requested days? Do they have enough hours available? Are they requesting PTO at a critical time for the company or their own work group? You get the idea. Managing all the days employees want time off and how that might impact the company. And this is how you might view those time off requests on a calendar. All your employees are displayed together in one place where you can manage critical daily and weekly resources. Make sure critical employees are not all scheduled for time off on the same days. After all, some employees may be needed on certain days where time off is not an option. So there you have it, the basics of employee PTO, and even a calendar, just the way you like it, boss. I hope you'll try some of the time off options and properties on the Standard Time Cloud and see if this might work for your operation. Remember, standard time is more than just shop floor barcoding. There's stuff for office workers too.